I want to have a bald head, and I've searched the internet and I found this. And it sucks. Then I found something else and it looks premium. And on a box, it's a really nice box. Bam. School Shaver Catalog. Exclusive pouch. Oh. Oil. Brush. Cable. USB type A. Charger. Power charger. Wow. Wow. And the cable is like 1.5 meters.
In real time with a white shirt. Nothing on the shirt, it's clean and fast. And I noticed that it spins slower than the Remington, but it shaves faster, way faster.
And now it's also cool, 95%, which means 5% for the one shave. That is impressive. Is it going to work via charging? It will. After a couple of minutes, we're done. It's all super smooth. I don't have a red neck, at least I hope so.
Well, I also noticed that the Remington is not great for sensitive skin. It's basically a butcher.
So there you go, Pitbull Gold Pro. I am very satisfied. But in 6 months of usage, I will update you. Is it still a great experience? See you next video. Bye.